Rangers are back up to second in the Scottish Premiership. They've jumped above Aberdeen on goal difference after beating bottom side Ross County 2-1 at Victoria Park. Jason Cummings came off the bench to score his first goal for the club. Celtic are 11 points clear at the top of the table. England's cricketers finished their one-day series against Australia with a 12-run victory in Perth. Surrey seamer Tom Curran was their match winner, taking 5 wickets for 35 runs as the hosts fell short in their run chase. England taking the series 4-1. Both teams will now prepare for next month's 2020 Tri-Series that also includes New Zealand. Plenty more, of course, on the BBC Sport website, including action and results from today's Women's Super League. And you can also find all the goals from the 4th round of the FA Cup. Rita.
Ollie, thank you. Ingvar Kamprad, the man who founded the multi-billion-pound Swedish furniture chain IKEA, has died at the age of 91. He started the company when he was 17 and revolutionised how furniture was manufactured, sold and especially assembled. Our correspondent Lynam looks back at his life.
Ingvar Kamprad can safely be described as a retailing genius. Born in 1926 in southern Sweden, he started selling matches aged 5, then seeds and then pencils. At 17 he formed IKEA, named after his own initials and the area where he was born. Now it's probably the best known furniture store in the world, with more than 400 giant shops and annual sales of £30 billion. Kamprad was inspired to create the idea of flat-packed furniture when watching someone remove the legs off a table to fit into a customer's car. He disowned his previous support for far-right parties in Sweden during the war and lived a modest lifestyle. His house and possessions did not reflect his wealth.
I
don't think I'm wearing anything that I haven't bought at a flea market. That's because I want to give a good example. If we're going to be conscious about our economy, one can't just talk about it, one has to show that.
The genius of Ingvar Kamprad